Yeah, hi friends. Welcome to Tech Bank Zero. एंड मैं आज आप लोगों के लिए जो है वेबसाइट से रिलेटेड बताऊंगा मैं आपको कि वेबसाइट्स कैसे बनती हैं और वेबसाइट्स को बनाने के लिए क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट चाहिए आपको। और ये वेबसाइट्स डिज़ाइनिंग और वेबसाइट्स का जो बिगिनिंग पार्ट है ये, अगर कोई स्टूडेंट्स या फिर कोई बिगिनर्स है जो कि इंटरेस्टेड है वेबसाइट से रिलेटेड मालूम करने के लिए, तो उन लोग के लिए हेल्पफुल रहेगा। एंड डेवलपर्स जो कि अपना करियर बनाना चाह रहे हैं डेवलपिंग में, उन लोग के लिए भी ये बेटर रहेगा। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो है, मैं यहाँ पे आप लोग को ये बताऊंगा कि वेबसाइट है क्या, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द वेबसाइट इज। वेबसाइट्स आर नथिंग बट लाइक ए वेब पेज। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अपने लिए जैसे कि google.com है, facebook.com है, flipkart.com है। ये सारी एक वेब पेजेस है जहाँ पे आप आपका कंटेंट शो कर सकते हैं। For example, if you have a business, if you want to showcase your business online, then in that case, you can create a website or a web page and you can showcase your business and whatever the products you have. So basically, पहली बात तो जो है मैं आपको बताऊंगा यहाँ पे साइट। तो वेबसाइट्स को बनाने के लिए दो चीज़ जो कि मैंडेटरी है, ठीक है। वो दो चीज़ ये है कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड ए डोमेन नेम, ठीक है। डोमेन नेम एंड द अदर थिंग विच यू रिक्वायर्ड इज होस्टिंग। मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि ये डोमेन और ये होस्टिंग होता क्या है। ठीक है गाइस, तो हम लोग को वेबसाइट्स बनाने के लिए जो दूसरी चीज़ रिक्वायर्ड है वो क्या होस्टिंग है। मैं आपको अभी ये बताऊंगा कि एग्जैक्टली होस्टिंग और ये क्या करते हैं एग्जैक्टली। ठीक है। डोमेन डोमेन जो है, डोमेन इज नथिंग बट ए नेम ऑफ ए वेबसाइट। ठीक है, आप जैसे कि देख सकते हैं google.com है, facebook.com है, flipkart.com, amazon.com। ये सारे इन टेक्निकल वर्ड, ये सारे नाम को जो है आप डोमेन कहते हैं, ठीक है। सो डोमेन इज नथिंग बट ए नेम ऑफ ए वेबसाइट। We'll write down the down। The definition of domain. Domain is a name of the website. Domain is a name of the website. For example, google.com, facebook.com, amazon.com. So basically, these are all the names of the websites we call as a domain name. Okay. When it comes to the hosting, hosting is nothing but a storage. Like storage in the sense, if you want to upload your content, if you want to showcase your content on the website, then first you need to upload that content inside the hosting. And once you upload that content inside the hosting, that will reflect on your website. Like inside the hosting, there will be a particular place will be there where we need to upload that content. Because if you upload it anywhere or in any other folder, it won't reflect on your website. So for that as well, we have a procedure. I will guide you with that procedure as well. So we'll write the definition of hosting here. So I'm just going from the beginning, like if any freshers are there, if any students are there, those who need an information. So that's the reason I'm going from the beginning part. And this is also my new channel. So I want to explain in depth from beginning to the end. And so these two things are mandatory for creating a website, domain and hosting. And I will show you the practical as well. And also the secondary thing is like the main question is like from where you can purchase this domain and hostings. So if you want to purchase this domain and hosting, we'll be having a lot of websites like GoDaddy.com is there, Namecheap is there, and Hostinger is there. So there are a lot of websites who are providing this domain and hosting. So I will show you the demo as well, like from where we can purchase it through a GoDaddy and how to host a website, how to link the website and domain each other, and where to upload the content inside the hosting. I will guide you with the complete process. So so currently this is just a definition of domain and hosting. And there are a lot of things are there under the website. If I tell you all the things in the same video, then it will become hectic for you. So I will go step by step, one by one. So currently, this is the definition of domain and hosting. And now we'll go to the practical side. Practical side in the sense I'll just show you through a GoDaddy web page, like how to purchase the domain and how to link with the hosting. And also after linking both the domain and hosting, actually GoDaddy is a paid service. If you want to host website or if you want to purchase domain or hosting anything, you need to pay for that. And I have few things like for the students or the one who cannot afford to pay for the domain and website, for them I have some free hosting plans as well, like free hosting websites. I will reveal that one as well so that you guys can go and you can try it in a free. You can host your website or web page with the coding or with the templates like website builder or WordPress, Joomla, Drupal. There are a lot of applications will be there through a free web page as well. You can host your website and you can try it over there. But if you want an official website, official in the sense like if you want all the features, okay, all the features, if you want to host a website, you can go with the paid service through GoDaddy or Hostinger or Namecheap. If you want to try that free website, you can try with that as well. I will reveal that website name soon. So, so first we'll see the practical how we can purchase the domain and hosting and how we can link it. So I'm just going on a website, GoDaddy. Already I've opened this web page. Okay. So we can do one thing. So this is the place, where we can find our domain names. Um, so this is the place where we can find our domain name. For example, if you want to search any name, if the domain is available, you'll be able to see it. abc.com. So as you can see here, already this domain has been taken, abc.com. So you just need to search it with the names you want. If that is not available, then in that case you can go with the alternative name as well, like abc.com. So under abc.com, if you have .in or .co.in, you can go with that domain as well. So you just need to, as you can see, these domains are available, right? So you just need to add into the cart and you need to do the payment. Once you do the payment, then automatically the domain will reflect in your account. And for the same thing, like this is for just a domain, right? So we'll just search for hosting plans as well. So in hosting also we'll be having different types of hosting plans will be there. So as you can see here, this is website builder, right? So with the website builder, you can host a website, like you'll be getting a free templates, like auto design templates you will get. This is for the basic beginners, like the one who don't know coding or the one who don't know how to upload it on a website. For them, the website builder suits it, because under that you'll be getting a auto design templates. So when I'm clicking on this auto design template, as you can see here, a free website is just the beginning. Okay, so you can start the free trial as well. I think this will be you'll be getting a free trial for 30 days. So this is just a template, free template. With this as well, you can design a website. And the second thing is, under the same hosting plan, you'll be having online store. Online store is nothing but it's like a website of Flipkart, Amazon. Uh, on Flipkart and Amazon, people will sell their products, right? So it's like an online store. The website Flipkart, the website of that Flipkart, we call it as an online store. Same Amazon website also we can call it as an online store, where they will sell the products. So you can create if you have a requirement of same Amazon and Flipkart website, if you want to create in that way, then you can go with the online store. Okay, where you can add your products and you can mention your prices. So this is also one kind of hosting. And the third and the main hosting is like web hosting. Web hosting in the sense, like if you're a developer, okay, if you want to create a website with the coding language, or if you want to host a website with the Java, .NET, and with Linux code, then in that case you can go with the hosting plans. Like under hosting as well, you'll be having a different two types of hostings will be there. One is Linux and one is Windows. So basically, if you have a requirement of Java, if you want to design a website with Java code and with Linux code, then in that case you can go with the Linux hosting. Under that, you'll be getting a cPanel. Okay, cPanel in the sense control panel will be there. Under that, you'll be able to find all the services and how to add the domain, how to link everything. You'll be able to see under that cPanel admin. So that is for the website. That is for the Linux platform. Under the same web hosting, you'll be getting two more things. That two more things are nothing but like one is Linux hosting and the other is Windows hosting. So Windows hosting mostly suit for like basically if you have a requirement, like if you are a .NET developer and if you want to host a website through .NET coding, then in that case you can go with the Windows hosting. So under Windows hosting, you'll be getting a Plus panel. Okay, in Linux we'll be getting a cPanel, but in Windows hosting we'll be getting a Plus panel. Under that you can host your content and you can upload your content and you can link with your website. So these two types of hostings will be there. And if you have a basic requirement of hosting, you can go with the initial plans. Okay, as you can see here, web hosting starter, web hosting economy, web hosting deluxe, web hosting ultimate. So these are the plans. But if you want to go with the if you have a requirement of higher you can say graphically designed website with a high code, then in that case you can go with the virtual private server. Okay. um, so under these as well, you'll be getting plans like one CPU core will be there with the 2 GB RAM, and you'll be having two CPU core, four CPU core with the 8 GB RAM, four CPU plus 16 GB of RAM. So as per your requirement, if you have a highly graphical website, okay, if your website developer is designing in that way, you can just confirm with the developer like how much GB of RAM and how much GB of CPU required. According to that, you can directly come over here and you can purchase it. And third most, the main thing is dedicated server. So basically, dedicated server, it is directly dedicated to you itself. You will be the complete owner. But when it comes to the web hosting actually it is a shared hosting. There one server will be there, under that might be 4 to 5 customers will be shared. Okay, if in case sometimes if a traffic is high on some of the other users account, then that will impact on your account as well if it is a web hosting, because web hosting is a shared hosting. But when it comes to dedicated server is dedicated to only you. It won't impact of any other website or any other hostings, but the cost will be very high compared to web hosting and virtual private server, because dedicated server is mostly will be used by the big platforms, like as you can see flipkart.com is there, amazon.com is there. So these two big platforms will be used only on highly dedicated server. So you'll be able to see the plans and prices as well of dedicated servers. You can see you'll be getting 32 GB of dedicated server, 64 GB of dedicated server, 128 GB of dedicated server. It's 256 GB, you know. So basically, this is RAM, 256 GB RAM, 128 GB RAM. And when you scroll down, you'll be able to see how much GB of storage you're getting under that. As you can see, you'll be getting 2 into 500 GB storage. That is of RAID 1. So I think the storage will get increased. You'll be getting again 500 GB here. Again, you'll be getting 1 TB. Again, you'll be getting 1 TB. And you'll be having different data centers as well. Data centers in the sense, when you are trying to set up it, it will recommend you to choose a nearest data center. So here you'll be having two data centers, United States or Europe. So if you are in Asian condition, then in that case, mostly it will recommend it to you to choose a Europe. So this is basically highly for the dedicated service, highly for the big platforms like Amazon.com, Flipkart.com. So basically, these are the hosting plans as per your requirement, or if you don't have any knowledge, in that case as well, you can go with the website builder or web hoster. Website builder, and okay, one more thing is there. We have a one more template platform like website builder. I just said you, it's a basic template, you know. You just need to add photos, you just need to write the content. That is well the basic one. Like if you're the beginner, in that case you can write on website builder. But if you want little dynamic website, okay, if you want to upload some AdSense code, if you want to upload some HTML content with HTML content inside the template, so in that case, you can go with the WordPress hosting. So I will tell you what exactly WordPress is. WordPress is also a template background. You know, you'll be getting a template. Under that, you can host your website. You can upload all the photos, videos. It will be some kind of dynamic website. You know, and in WordPress, the main advantage is you will be getting a template. The second thing is you can add your coding as well. You know, you can add your basic HTML coding under this template, and you can make a dynamic website compared to website builder. If you want a template website and you want some dynamic website as well, in that case you can go with this WordPress hosting. So if you're not a developer, in that case I will suggest you to go with the WordPress hosting. Inside this you'll be getting a lot of plugins as well, and you can make a dynamic website through it. So this is all about WordPress postings, and we have covered like from GoDaddy you can purchase your domain hosting, and there are a lot of products are there when it comes to the security as well, when it comes to the email as well, when it comes to the marketing as well. So we'll guide one by one. If I tell you all the things in the for in the same video, then you'll be very confused, you know. So that's the reason today in this video I'll just cover it domain and hosting. Domain is nothing but a name of a website, and hosting is nothing but a storage where you can upload your content and showcase on your website. So we'll guide all the things, the remaining things later. So I have few domains. Okay, already I have few domains. Recently few were there, only one is left now. As you can see here, I have the domain itgalaxy.shop. So till now I didn't done any setup on that. Already I purchased few months before, but now I got the time and I'm just planning to create videos so that I can share my knowledge. So that's the reason I decided to just cross check how many domains I have in my account. So previously it were there 2 to 3 domains were there, but now only one left. Already two got expired. So as you can see here, itgalaxy.shop. So this is my domain name. Okay, name of the domain. So for hosting a website, we need hosting as well. So I don't have any hosting right now, but I have that website builder free template plan. Okay, I need to purchase that hostings, but right now I will just show you how to link domain and website, like website builder. It's also one kind of hosting, but it's a free template for the beginners. So for how to link a domain with this website, domain and hosting, how to link it, we need to just click on setup. As you can see here under website plus marketing, you'll get an option to set up. You just need to click on it. Once you click on it, it will ask you the options. Sell with an online store, like you want to create a website like Flipkart or Amazon, or you want a website like booking appointments online or something else. So we'll just go with the plan of something else because I just need to do a setup with a basic informative website, you know. So it is asking what kind of website you would like to have. So it's depend upon you. If you tell if you want a just informative website of IT services, IT as per your business, whatever your business is there, you can choose according to that. I just selected IT services. I just clicked on next. What should we call your website? So I will keep the same domain name, IT Global. It's upon you. You can keep it any name. Okay, just click on next. So now it is loading. You can see here. Yeah. So this is the free template which I got with this website builder. I just linked this website domain and this website builder, you know, we have been moved to our free plan. Okay. Your trial has expired. Compare plans. Okay. I just cancelled it. So as you can see here, take it to welcome to okay. No issues. As you can see here, this is the template which I got. Okay. We just done a setup, and you can see I just selected IT platform. So I just got a IT informative website. As you can see, I didn't done anything. I just selected the domain and I just signed in. So you can see this is a template, and now the main thing is we need to link this hosting with our domain name, and we'll be having the option to preview and publish. Before publishing it, we'll just connect with our domain. Now it is running on a free domain or a free URL with the name of GoDaddySites.com, but already we have itglobal.shop, right? So we'll connect our domain. I'm just clicking on connect domain. Choose a plan to upgrade your site. Not now. Okay. Select a plan. Okay, I think the website builder that's got expired, you know. That's the reason it is not showing me, as it is a trial one. So when you click on connect domain, after clicking on connect domain, it will ask you to select your domain name. Once you select your domain name, you know, or you can directly preview and publish it. Once you click on publish, After that, in few seconds, it will reflect on your website. And yeah, as you can see here, but currently as this trial period got expired, that's the reason I'm unable to link with my domain name. So that's the reason they have given me a free website homepage. As you can see, itglobal5.godaddysites.com. If you link with our domain name, then we just need to type itglobal.shop. So I'm just clicking on view site. So you can see here, whatever the content was there, whatever the content was there inside template, that is reflecting on our web page. So this is the way how we can uh, purchase the domain, and how we can link with our domain and hosting. We can link it, and how we can upload the content. In next videos, I will surely share you how you can link your domain with WordPress, how you can link your domain with the cPanel, and how you can upload your content under the cPanel. Surely I will guide you with that process as well in the next video, because I need to purchase that hosting as well. Right now, I just have a domain name. This is the free website builder which I was having in that my account. Once I purchase that website and hosting, in the next video, surely I will guide you how we can link with hosting, WordPress, cPanel, Plus Panel, and inside the cPanel Plus panel, where you need to upload your content. And after that, there are a lot of things are there. How you can create email ID. Okay, how you can create email ID with your domain name. Domain name in the sense, the domain which you have. With that, you can create an email as well. Like suppose I have itgalaxy.shop. So I can create an email address, info@itgalaxy.shop. So whatever your domain have, with that name you can create email address. So yeah, and one more thing, like after linking the website with the domain name, you just need to confirm it. Confirm it in the sense like how you'll confirm whether the domain and website got linked. First thing is you will visit website and you can check whether the same content of your hosting was reflecting on the website. That is the first thing. Second thing is that under domain you'll be getting an option of DNS. So I'm just clicking on DNS. So when you click on DNS, we'll be able to see few records of DNS. Okay. Yeah. So few records of DNS you'll be able to see here. And also I can see I'm unable to, okay. So my name servers are connected with some other hosting. Actually, I was having some other hosting as well, but we'll remove that hosting records. So that, yeah, as you can see here, I was using some afternic, yeah, ns3.afternic name servers. So I'm just changing into default name servers, GoDaddy name servers, so that you'll be able to see our DNS records. Yeah. So yeah, so these name servers will get changed now, and once it gets changed, I'll be able to see my DNS records here. We don't, yeah, please try again. Okay. Here we'll be able to see all our DNS records. So DNS records, what exactly DNS records I will guide you. See here, we just changed the name servers to default. We can see all the DNS records here. So first I said if you want to check whether your domain and hosting is linked, you need to check through a website, directly visiting our website. And the second thing is like we can check from here as well DNS records. So like in DNS, you can see a record over there. A record always it should be pointed with the hosting IP address. So as you can see parked here, we just need to click on edit, and instead of park, we need to update the hosting IP address. Whatever the hosting panel will be there, cPanel, Plus Panel, you'll be getting an IP address. You just need to update it here under the value. Once you update it, when you click on save, and within few minutes directly your website will get connected with that hosting. So whatever you upload inside the content inside the hosting, that will reflect on your website. So this is the second method to connect or link your domain and hosting. And one more thing, there are more other records will be there. NS records. Basically, NS records will use to connect through a particular hosting itself. This is also one type of connection. So I will guide you further related with the name servers as well. And also we have CNAME records. Basically, CNAME records will use as like alias. If you want to give redirection with triple W, if you want your website should reflect with www.itgalaxy.shop. In that case, you can add CNAME record. Okay, once you have the CNAME record, directly your website will reflect or redirect with triple W initially. And also you'll be having SOA record. SOA record is mainly for verification purpose, like verification in the sense uh, you'll be getting a SOA record on your email. If you update that record here, it will verify it, stating that you are the owner of this domain name. And I will be getting a lot of see. You will be getting an option to add new records as well. When you click on new records, when you click on choose option, you will be able to see all types of record options. A record is used to link websites, through a IP address. I just said you. CNAME record is used for redirecting your website with triple W or any other subdomain name initially. MX records are basically used to link email address. I just said you like you can create email address with your domain name info@itglobal.shop. Example I said. So in the same way you can if you have any email address and if you want that email address should work, then you need to update MX record here. So this priority name value you'll be getting automatically once you purchase that email address. And TXT record is also one type of verification record. Like if in case in few cases your domain will not get verified automatically through an email, in that case you can update your name, txt file name and txt value. Okay, you'll be getting inside the hosting mm, inside wherever you purchased email. Okay, so you'll be getting a txt, all the records you'll be getting. So from there you can update this txt record. This is just for verification purpose. SRV record is also a verification purpose. And you'll be having name servers. I said you like if you want to I will tell you how exactly name servers will work. If you have domain and hosting in the same GoDaddy account, then you just need to use the default name servers. Default name servers automatically it will connect to your domain and hosting. If it is there in the same GoDaddy account or in any other company as well, if you purchase domain and hosting from the same company and from the same account, automatically it will get linked. So you should keep default name servers. But if your domain is with GoDaddy and hosting is with Hostinger, okay, both are separate. In that case, what you need to do? In that case, wherever you hosted your website, okay, you just need to go to that company and you need to ask for the name servers. Like I have a hosting with you, just provide me the name servers. So once they enter our domain name, they will get two name servers. They can bring that name servers here, okay, in the domain. Once they bring that name servers, they just need to click on add new records. They need to select type NS and they need to update both the two records. Okay. I can see two records. As you can see here, we have two name servers, right? In the same way, that company will provide our two name servers. We need to click on add one more and we need to update both the name servers. So once we update these name servers, after that, you won't be able to see the records here. DNS records, because once you update the name servers of some other company hosting provider, then all these DNS records will get moved to their panel. Okay. So if you want to do any changes in your record, CNAME record, SOA, TXT, any record, if you want to update, you need to go to that particular hosting panel, okay, to that company hosting panel, and you need to update the records over there. Because we changed name servers, we updated their name server. That's the reason the complete DNS will get moved to their company. So this is also one type of DNS records, and this is one type of way how we can link the domain and hosting. So these are the things which are there. So currently I don't have any hosting with me. I would have directly showed you how to link the domain and hosting as well. But this is just a basic information, like how to create a website, like how to link domain and hosting, what are the things required to create a website, and how to set up, how to link domain and hosting, and where to upload that content. I will show you how you can upload your content in cPanel and Plus Panel. I will purchase that hosting plans. And this is my first video, I just thought to share you the basic information, like how exactly it will work. And there are a lot of things are there, like when it's come to the security as well, you should purchase SSL. Like as you can see on most of the websites, their websites will reflect with the HTTPS, right? As you can see, GoDaddy as well, the websites will reflect with HTTPS. So yeah, most of the websites will reflect with HTTPS. That means the websites are secure. That means the websites are secure. You can see HTTPS. So basically, we have a lot of things are there where we can learn a lot of things. I will share my knowledge, whatever I have knowledge, and it will be useful for beginners as well as the one who don't know how to create websites. In market nowadays, people are taking a lot of money just to host a website because you guys don't know like how we can link it, what is the exact procedure. But it is very easy, if you try to start editing, or if you try to start using the web pages, or using the website hosting domain, then it will become very easier. I will just tell you one thing, like whenever you host a website, just take the backup. Okay, like if you do any changes and suddenly if your website got corrupted, then in that case you'll be able to see error messages. So at that time you can restore your content. If you have a backup, you can restore your content. You don't need to edit the website from the beginning. So that is the one thing is there. And in the upcoming videos, I will show you how to link and how to upload content through cPanel and WordPress panel and hosting panel. And in the next more videos, I will show you free website hosting websites are there where you can host your website in free. Like you can host your website with coding as well. You can host with the templates, WordPress. You you don't need to pay anything for the hosting plans. So I have that type of websites as well. And also I will make a video like about the error messages. Like in some cases, if you upload your content, you'll be getting 403 error message, you'll be getting 500 internal server error message, and you'll be getting uh, a lot of error message you'll be getting. So we'll talk on that as well. We'll talk on free websites where you can host your websites as well. Because nowadays, if you're a student and if you cannot afford, because GoDaddy is totally a paid platform. If you want to purchase domain, if you want to purchase hosting, you need to pay for that. If you're a beginner level, if you're a student, if you cannot afford it, in that case, if you're interested to learn about the websites and coding, in that case, you can go with the free hosting websites, which I will tell you or which I will reveal in the next videos. And so I'll tell you a lot of things about the websites, whichever I know, like whatever I have knowledge, I will share with you guys. And so I hope so you liked my video, because this is my first video. I was thinking, I was planning from most of the time I tried to make a video, but it was not happening because already I'm currently working somewhere in the company, and so now I got the time, so I thought it's better to start sharing the videos or the knowledge whichever I have. And in future, I will show you or I will guide you with some other things as well. Like when it comes to the website, there are 8 to 10 websites are there. If you are a developer and if you are interested to make your future in websites or through a development site, then in that case, total 8 to 10 websites are there, which is very useful to you, because that websites will help you to rectify the things, and how to identify like whether your content got uploaded or not, or when it comes to the security as well, if you're getting any error message, so that websites will help you. I will surely make a video on that websites as well in upcoming videos. So a lot of things are there which I'll share with you guys. Hope so you liked my video, and also in future we'll learn more things about networking side. Okay, about LAN, WAN, how exactly the network will work in the company, and what are the things required to set up a network, and to like, because see guys, I have experience of 6 years plus, and I have experience from the beginner level, like from the tech support to system admin to network engineer, and network engineer to cloud engineer. I know about AWS as well. So there are a lot of things are there which I can share with you in upcoming videos. So we'll go slowly, one by one. We'll go one by one step, and surely we'll connect again. Hope so you liked my video. If you liked my video, then surely subscribe my page, and share it. And thank you very much. Have a good day. Hope so we'll connect again. Thank you very much.